Over the last couple of years, I have been using Submagic for basically all of my short form content videos. Whenever I need to add captions or just make a quick edit, it is my go-to tool. And now they have recently rolled out their own MCP server, so you are actually able to use it together with Claude code. Now, if you have been playing around with Claude and more specifically Claude code, you know how much of an absolute game changer this technology is for any small business owner. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually connect Claude Code and Submagic to be able to basically automate your entire short form content creation and posting process. So it's actually a lot easier to do than you would think, and there are so many different ways that you can use this. You can, for example, just drag and drop all of your short form clips into a Google Drive folder and have Submagic automatically edit those videos and then even post them to a social media platform if you want to. Or if you want to take it a step further, you could use Claude plus, let's say, Higgsfield or Envato or any of these like AI video generators to generate a short form video, then immediately have Submagic put their amazing captions on it. Because I've tried a lot of different tools, right, for short form editing, and for me, nothing came close to how good Submagic's captions are, also in different languages, right? They're very accurate, they have very clean looks, and there's also a lot that you can do with the Submagic platform as a whole, right? Not just captions, but also the auto zoom in and zoom out, also the cutting out silences and all of that stuff. So let me show you how you can actually do this, and then I want you to try this for yourself as well, because it's actually mind-blowing. And by the way, if for whatever reason you don't have a Submagic account yet, then go ahead, click the first link in the description down below, and if you use code Vince at checkout, you can also get an extra 10% off. So you want to go into your Claude code, and then basically you can just do a prompt with something along the lines of, I want to automate clip creation by using Submagic and connecting to the Submagic MCP server. Once connected to the server, I will just drop you a YouTube video or a Google Drive folder to create the clips from, right? And then I actually also linked the Submagic MCP server link there. So I will leave that down in the description as well if you want to make it a little bit easier for yourself. Now, after I did that, basically I had to give Claude a lot of permissions, throughout this process. But yeah, I just allowed it to fetch this document. And then after that, what it's going to actually ask for you is your Submagic API key. So once you have your Submagic account, you can just simply go into API and integrations. And then there you're able to either generate a new API key for yourself, or you can copy your existing one, which is exactly what I did right there. Okay. Now, after that, I literally just went ahead and pasted in my API. Super simple to do. Then I had to give Claude some more permissions, to actually be able to do all of these actions. And the good thing is, even if you do not exactly know how to do this, Claude can pretty much figure it out for you, right? It will kind of hold your hand throughout the entire process. After that, all I did was I went ahead and copied the link of one of my videos that I wanted some clips done for me from, and then I simply pasted that in. And then after that, I prompted Claude saying, make me 3 clips in Submagic with clean captions from this, right? And then after that, it basically went ahead and created magic clips from this specific YouTube video that I pasted into Claude in Submagic, right? And then it actually just selected 3 of the best clips from the magic clips that it created for me. Now, the best thing is you can actually go, a lot further than this, because you can see that right here, it basically gave me the direct download links, but you can also connect this to your Instagram, your TikTok, YouTube, and have it not only create the clips for you, but also post it, right, directly. So you don't even need to touch the Submagic platform if you want to. You can also set up a recurring task in Claude, right? So you could set up a system with this where every single morning, for example, it just finds some videos in your niche, and then using the Submagic API, it makes some magic clips from them. You could set up even the exact template and look that you want to use for those, and then just take the 3 with the highest virality score, for example, or take 5 and then upload them throughout the day to your social media platform. So this alone is very impressive that it was able to create these clips without me touching Submagic at all. I literally just pasted in a link into Claude, and because Claude connected to the Submagic MCP server, it was able to do everything in my account without me even needing to touch it. But you can take this so so much further than this, right? So I just wanted to give you a little like teaser that this actually exists and you should probably go ahead and give this a shot. But if you want me to make a more in-depth video about a couple different extra use cases for this and how you can set that up using Claude Code, then feel free to subscribe to the channel and also drop a comment down below, like what exact kind of short form system you want me to set up with Claude and Submagic, and I will cover that topic as well in the future. So hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead, try this out for yourself. I will leave all of the links in the description down below. What an amazing time we are living in. I mean, this is going to save me, well, so much time. I mean, I'm already saving a lot of time by using Submagic for my clips because it cuts down my, content creation time, even using the platform manually, from like half an hour for a clip to like 2 minutes or maybe even less. But with this, I mean, I won't even have to do anything myself manually. It can just automatically distribute clips. So it's super cool. I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you in the next one.